If you're in business and your customers can be found online, then you need to be using video. But with the pace of change across social media, new technologies, and even tweaks to the algorithms, yes, the dreaded algorithms, it's really easy to become overwhelmed. In fact, simply keeping up is almost a full-time job. Equally, hiring other people to make your videos can be really expensive. Or producing your own videos without the proper guidance and advice can end up being a massive waste of time for a substandard outcome. What if I told you there was one place you could go to learn about all the latest video marketing and viral trends, techniques, and technology, as well as the time-tested frameworks in regards to scripting, storytelling, and social media strategy? Would you be interested? I'm Jonathan Creek, and I run a video marketing company called Viral right here in Melbourne, Australia. Since 2013, I've been helping thousands of people all over the world build their businesses. Before that, I was an investigative TV reporter, spending more than a decade helping people share their stories. And right now, those two worlds, video and storytelling, have collided to form a really powerful yet really accessible way for people to grow and build their brands and businesses, even if the only camera they have access to is the phone in their pocket. And that is what this channel is all about, reaching out to entrepreneurs and businesses and helping them harness the power of video in a way that's both effective and viable. So if video and marketing are topics that interest you, or maybe you're just looking to sharpen your script writing or strategy skills, or maybe you're even just looking for answers to questions around technology, then all I can really suggest is that you seriously consider subscribing to this channel. And by doing so, you'll be joining a community of like-minded, new thinking business people and creators. It would be awesome to have you along. I'll see you soon. Peace.